Hey guys, the first day of your project starts today. Don't freak out because in the words of Bon Jovi, all right, it might be a little bit hard of a project, but I'll be there for you the entire way that we do this project. P.S. If you mention Bon Jovi to Miss Donahue, your language arts teacher, she might just give you an A for the rest of the day. She's a big fan. All right, learning target today, I can use data to persuade others on issues in South Asia, check for success, choose an issue South Asia faces today, and summarize the issue. So that's going to be the first step of your project. Today's April 27th. Here's everything that you need to achieve by the end of the week. Today, just focus on summarizing an issue South Asia faces today. Here's what we're going to be doing for this project. You'll create a poster or infographic about one of the issues we covered in South Asia. So these were those four or five issues we covered last week. The goal of the poster or infographic is to persuade people to donate money to help with the issue. We did this project last year. Kids had a lot of fun with it. They created a poster and then they got like fake money that they got to donate towards a poster that they thought was the most convincing. Because we're doing it online, it's going to be a little bit different. All right, so if you chose to do monsoons, this was an issue we covered last week, you're going to try to persuade people to donate money to help repair damage from seasonal monsoons. If you chose pollution, you're going to persuade people to donate money to clean up the pollution in the Ganges River. If you chose urbanization, you're going to persuade people to donate money to build affordable housing and updated infrastructure like roads and sewer systems and stuff like that in major cities in South Asia. If you chose poverty, you're going to persuade people to donate money to fight poverty in Bangladesh. All right, so you can go ahead and put this video on pause and just kind of review those four different options, see which one you want to do. All right, so you guys are halfway there. You've already chose your topic. When you're finished with your project, you'll end up with something that looks like this if you choose to do a poster, or something that looks like this if you choose to do an infographic. Okay, we're going to go over the rubric, but we're going to go over it super quick and only look at the section right here, the requirements for an A+. If you want to look at the rest of the rubric, it will be posted on your Schoology. Okay, so to get an A on this project, you need to have good content. You're going to describe an issue in South Asia correctly. You're going to provide 3 or more pieces of data that are accurate and strongly persuade your classmates to raise awareness for this issue. So mainly focus on the bolded things. Describe the issue in 3 sentences or more. Then have 3 pieces of persuasive data. All right, your poster or infographic should have visual appeal, which means that it should have a title and clear headings, and your poster or infographic should be clear and well organized and have color and at least one image/map/picture. Okay, so remember, just focus on the bolded things. Have a related title and headings. We'll go ahead and go back to the examples. In the poster, here's the title. The headings are these smaller titles right here that kind of show you where that information is. In the infographic, title, here's a subheading, and here's a subheading. All right, and then make sure that it's well organized, that you can find information easily and have a map, a picture, and include color if you did a poster. All right, professionalism. Your infographic and poster should look professional, which means you should have credible sources for your data. You should cite your sources, so have a little section for your sources, and put your information into your own words and only use direct quotes when absolutely necessary. Okay, so use credible sources and put your information into your own words is the basics. Okay, so don't freak out about this project. This is a lot and it might be a little bit hard, but your teacher's going to be there for you every step of the way. Here's the timeline of how this project's going to work. Today, you're going to describe the issue. Your teacher is going to preview your rough draft, what you wrote down for the description of your issue, and tell you if you need to change or add anything to it. That way you know you're on track to getting an A. All right, Tuesday, tomorrow, you're going to find 3 facts. And again, your teacher will tell you how to find credible sources, give you a credible source to start with, and preview your facts. On Wednesday, you guys are going to start creating the infographic or poster. Again, your teacher will give you tutorials on how to create that infographic and an example poster. All right, and then this isn't going to be due until Sunday. On Sunday, you'll submit your poster or infographic to Ms. Collins so she can put together an anonymous Google form so classmates can vote on the best poster or infographic. If you don't turn it in by Sunday, that's fine. It just won't be put into the competition. If you're not in on the competition, though, you do miss out on your chance to win a mini Bluetooth speaker from Amazon Prime. It also comes in the color white in case you are particular in color. This one was kind of cool just because it's nice for like going outside and connecting it to a phone, tablet, whatever device that supports Bluetooth technology. The nice thing about this one is like the lights kind of change when you're listening to music, so that could be kind of cool too. I thought that'd be kind of nice to help you guys maybe like get out of the house and just relax outside if you want to watch your tablet outside or whatever. Okay. So today you're going to describe the issue. Here's how you might want to describe the issue. First, introduce important terms. So if you chose to do monsoons, you might start by saying monsoons are seasonal winds that cause heavy rain during certain times of the year. Urbanization is, and then add that definition. The Ganges River is an important river in South Asia. Bangladesh is a small country located within South Asia. Next, you want to explain the issue. What's the problem going on here? Monsoons cause deadly landslides and floods. Urbanization is causing. The main cause of pollution in the Ganges River is. 3 things causing poverty in Bangladesh are. Next, you should explain why people care. Like, yeah, sure, there's a problem, but there's a lot of problems in the world. Why should people care? So you might say something like, these storms are bad for farmers, and a majority of people in South Asia are farmers. As a result of urbanization, this is what's happening. The river is used for blah, 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 blah. And many people in Bangladesh now live on less than $2 a day. Okay, so hopefully that helps you get started. Remember, we covered all this information before, but if you forgot, like if you don't have that information off the top of your head, I totally understand. It's still posted on Schoology. So let's say I chose to do pollution in the Ganges. I would just go back and I'm going to click on this week 4 folder. And when you do, it's going to show you days 15, 16, 17, and 18 and 19. If you choose to do monsoons and urbanization, it's going to be in this folder. Under that, go formative. Okay, all that information is right there, the video and that little paragraph for monsoons. If you choose to do pollution in the Ganges, that video with all the information is right here. You could also just look at the questions, right? Because that's kind of highlighting the important information in there. All right, if you chose to do poverty in Bangladesh, you can go ahead and click on this. And you can use the text, or you can even just use the mind map that you created on Kaggle. Okay. And that is it. That's all you got to finish for today is choose your topic, monsoons, pollution in the Ganges River, urbanization, or poverty in Bangladesh, and write a 3-sentence summary explaining the issue in the describe the issue draft. I will be going over each student's draft and making a comment whether it's you need to fix this part or maybe add to this part, or it looks good, you're good to move on to the next step. If you have questions, be sure to message me or email your teacher. If you'd rather, you can text 304-853-0426. And you can feel free to work ahead on this project. Okay, if you would like to work ahead, check tomorrow's material to see what the next step is.